Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from NOKIA G22 to an Android device. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can choose not now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then pick Send at the bottom left corner of NOKIA and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, scroll down and choose the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then just click on Close this window and go back to NOKIA device. You can finally select all of those categories located at the top, and in them pick multiple files right away by selecting those dots at the top left corners, or tap on the chosen ones, in my case this one photo. Wherever you do, when you finished, click on Send next to Selected. Sorry, my Wi-Fi is off. I have to fix that real quick. And then click on Send. Tap on Got it, and over here you can finally pick one of those options to select the best connection way for you. If you want to connect using this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then tap on While using or only this time, and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key in Input key section, just click on Input key and type in all of those numbers in correct order. To connect, click on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!